Hi, welcome to English course by Canada Lingo. In today's lesson, we are learning are they pupils? Are they pupils? Pupil, it means öğrenci. So, are they pupils? Onlar öğrenci mi? Please listen and repeat the story.
What are they?
What are they? Onlar nedir? So, what are they? What are they?
They're builders.
They're builders. They're builders. Builders, it means inşaatçı. They're builders. Onlar inşaatçı. So, onlar inşaatçı. They're builders. Builder.
Builders. Builders. Are they builders?
Are they builders? Are they builders? Onlar inşaatçı mı? Are they builders?
No, they aren't.
No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Hayır, onlar değil. No, they aren't.
They're pupils.
They are pupils. Onlar öğrenci. They are pupils. They are pupils. So, onlar öğrenci. Let me write with different colors. They are pupils. Or students. Onlar öğrenci. They are pupils.
Pupils. Pupils.
Pupils.
Are they pupils?
Are they pupils? Are they pupils? Onlar öğrenci mi? Are they pupils? Are they pupils? So, onlar öğrenci mi? Are they pupils?
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. Evet, onlar öğrenci. Yes, they are. Cevapta söylüyor. Yes, they are. Yes, it means evet. Yes, they are pupils. Onlar öğrenci.
Look! They're pupils.
Look, they're pupils. Look, bak. They're, onlar, pupils. Onlar öğrenci.
Hello, pupils.
Hello, pupils. Hello, pupils. Hello, pupils.
Hello, pupils. No, Billy. Shh. They're teachers.
They are teachers. Bunlar öğretmen. Not pupils. So, they are teachers. Bunlar öğretmen. They are teachers. So teacher yani öğretmen. They are teachers. It means onlar öğretmen. Onlar öğretmen. They are teachers. They are teachers. Alright, so now let's listen again and repeat this story.
What are they? They're builders. Builders. Builders. Are they builders? No, they aren't. They're pupils. Pupils. Pupils. Are they pupils? Yes, they are. Look! They're pupils! Hello, pupils! Hello, pupils! No, Billy. Shh! They're teachers.
So they are teachers. They are not pupils. Okay, now let's play a game and learn more things. Today we can practice jobs. We can learn about jobs. Jobs, it means meslekler. Jobs. So let's play.
Musician,
Musician. Musician.
mechanic,
Mechanic. Mechanic. Mekanik demek. So mechanic.
baker,
Baker. Baker.
nurse,
Nurse. Hemşire. Nurse.
policeman,
Policeman. Policeman.
dishwasher,
Dishwasher. Dishwasher.
hairdresser,
Hairdresser. Hairdresser.
firefighter,
Firefighter. Firefighter.
waiter,
Waiter. Waiter.
receptionist,
Receptionist. Receptionist. Receptionist. So, waiter. Waiter, it means erkek garson. So, he's, yani o erkek, he's a waiter. O bir waiter. Nurse. But this is a girl, so she's a nurse. She's, yani o kız, a nurse. He, she, he's a waiter. She's a nurse. He's a
Waiter.
waiter. She's a
Nurse.
nurse. Policeman. Police. Policeman. But he's a boy. Erkek. O yüzden he is a policeman. He is a policeman. Receptionist. Resepsiyon. Receptionist. But she's a girl. Kız olduğu için She is a receptionist. She's a receptionist. So he's a policeman
Policeman.
and she is a receptionist.
Receptionist.
Mechanic. This is a boy. So he is a mechanic. He is a mechanic. Baker. Baker. He's a man. So boy, erkek. Again, he is a baker. He is a baker. So he is a mechanic
Mechanic.
and he is a baker.
Baker.
Musician. Musician. Müzikçi. Musician. But he is a musician. He is a musician. Dishwasher. Yani tabaklar yıkayan. Dishwasher. Tabak yıkayan. Dishwasher. He is a dishwasher. He is a dishwasher. So first, musician. He is a musician
Musician.
and he is a dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Firefighter. İtfaiyeci. Firefighter. He is a firefighter. Hairdresser. Hairdresser. He is a hairdresser.
Hairdresser.
Firefighter. Firefighter. He is a firefighter.
Firefighter.
He is a waiter.
Waiter.
He is a hairdresser.
Hairdresser.
He is a mechanic.
Mechanic.
He is a baker.
Baker.
He is a policeman.
Policeman.
She is a nurse. She is
Nurse.
a nurse. And she is a receptionist. She is a receptionist.
Receptionist.
And he is a musician. He is a musician.
Musician.
And he is a dishwasher. He is a dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Perfect. Now we can study our book. We can learn alphabet. So in today's alphabet, we are learning K, K, K, K, K, K, K, kangaroo, K, K, kangaroo, kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. This is a, yani bu bir, this is a kangaroo. Key, key. This is a key. This is, yani bu a key. Bu bir anahtar. This is a key. So K, K, L, L, L, L, L, L, L, lion, lion. This is a lion. This is a lion. This is a lion. lollipop. Lollipop. This is a lollipop. Is this a cat? Bu bir kedi mi? Is this a cat? No, it isn't. Or no, this isn't. No, it isn't. Yani hayır değil. It's a lion. O bir lion. It's not a cat. Kedi değil. It's not a cat. It's a lion. O bir lion. Let's read. Okuyalım. Let's read. This is my grandpa. Lütfen tekrar ediniz. This is my grandpa. Bu benim büyük babam. This is my mom. This is my mom. Bu benim annem. This is my brother. This is my brother. Bu benim erkek kardeşim. Happy, mutlu demek. O kız, o yüzden she is happy. O kız mutlu. She is happy. Sad, üzgün. Ama erkek, he is sad. He is sad. She's hungry. She's hungry. O aç. She's hungry. Thirsty. Tekrar ediniz. Thirsty. Yani susuz. Susamak. Thirsty. Susamak. So, he is thirsty. Yani o susadı. He is thirsty. O erkek susadı. He is hot. O erkek çok sıcak. He is hot. Hot. She is cold. Yani o kız üşüyor. She is cold. She's happy. He's sad. She's hungry. He's thirsty. He's hot. And she's cold. Hot. Hot. Sıcak. Hot. Thirsty. Thirsty. Hungry. Aç. She's hungry. Cold. Dad is cold. He's sad. He's sad. Billy is happy. Billy mutlu. Billy is happy. So she's sad and she's happy. O üzgün. She's sad and she's happy. So this is the end of the lesson for today. I hope you learned very well. Take care and see you later. Goodbye.